also a BMW e46 makeover, Alpine White. It's a really nice body already, so it really didn't take a whole lot to bring this, just the exterior back to life. The customer had already installed wheels and tires and Bilstein coilovers around this car, so it's already got that aggressive stance that that looks really good on this body style. And so we're just on the exterior. I'm going to show you guys the paint job. Not going to show you the interior. Still got to have a lot of trim work, a lot of interior work still. So maybe we can get you updated later on the complete restoration of this car. But right now it looks really good, runs really good, has really nice AC, so that's important right now. It's super hot out here, and I hope you guys like it. All right, this car was a stock 335i. I think the customer is still going to get some kind of motorsport aftermarket emblems, or maybe factory motorsport emblem, I'm not sure, but something that's kind of on back order. You know, but doing the badge delete, just super clean. I mean, look at the stance from the back, how fat those tires are, all set, a little bit of camber, just looks super aggressive. Race ready. I love the dual tip exhaust. You can see the fresh trim. I went back over the trim and blacked it out. It had some a lot of fade to it and some overspray from a previous paint job. When you're doing these guys, make sure and keep these, you know, even though I had to like tape it up, make sure and keep these VIN stickers, you know, later for law enforcement purposes and theft recovery. Those are important, so don't just go ripping all that crap off your car, guys. Wheels, Bilstein springs, shocks, coilovers up front. Is this thing the stance that I think every BMW guy wants, guy or girl. Just super clean. I think I prefer the body style with the e36 body style over the e46, but these are way more modern, way more rounded and European looking, you know, modern European. So just a super sexy car. It's got the M3 front swap, blacked out grills, Euro side markers on the front and the fenders. And yeah, just went through, blacked out the wheel wells again. It was not rusty up underneath the car. Just cleaned up some surface stuff and touched it up and just brought it all back to life with that Alpine White. So hard to beat these cars. They race well, they drift well. Super solid chassis. That's a 6-cylinder engine, so trustworthy engine. And I'm not going to show you the interior. Like I said, interior's got to be done. Everybody knows these cars that knows they're kind of just get ragged over the years. I just talked to the owner. They said they're going to black out the chrome trim. I'm sure the rear glass tint will be dealt with. I want to get new moldings. It's going to have new moldings front and rear for the glass. Either way, paint nice, slick and shiny. Hope you guys like the car. Ready to see it completely finished. But for now, it's going to go down the road so we can get back on this C10 project that we've been working on. Just a quick, I'll just add a quick shop update to this. It kind of still looks the same, even though there's been about another 40 plus, maybe 50 hours spent hand blocking, hand sanding these parts. Bed sides on this C10, nice and straight. Still working on this one. And then, you know, got all these parts reprimed with urethane primer. And a lot of hand sanding and blocking is going to go still in the side of this bed on this polyester primer. It's just slow go. Blocking this thing with 120 grit. It really does a good job straightening out those panels and lines, but it's really slow go on the hand sanding. Very slow process. My 240 still hasn't been touched. It's been like months now. I've just got to focus on these customer projects, and mine's on the back burner. CRX, some body work and paint going on. It had some rust, had some dents, been sideswiped. There's no hurry on this one, but there's a fleet of these things from the customer, so you know, job security, guys, plenty of it. This Toyota, it's just kind of piece by piece, you know, like on a rainy day when nothing can be moved around. I just kind of piddle with this thing and just kind of try to figure it out piece by piece. I've been having to look at videos and Google images of what bolts go where, what bushings go where, what order they go back together. So it's a timely process. But anyway, plenty of Z-car parts to deal with, more projects, stuff that needs to be working, and remember, there's always Z-car parts for sale. So alright, anyway, I hope you like the BMW. It's fixing to go home, and I want to get back on this C10 the rest of this week.